drink and reap the benefits. Woo! So I'm gonna try to taste it. This carries a very high scent and a very bitter taste, people. I have to muster the courage to taste this. Well, my mouth is running water. Wow! Woo! In the country, my gosh, when you are to drink your medicine, it's one of the hardest things. Anybody remember those days? Anybody remember those days? Oh gosh. Woo. Father, give me the strength now. No joke right here. No joke. Hello my people, welcome back to venvenmusic and Country Life. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best papaya leaf juice at home. Yes, you want to stay for this because you need to learn how to make your own papaya leaf juice at home. Now, some top benefits from including papaya leaf juice in your diet. Now, if you are struggling with digestion, you can have 2 tablespoons of papaya leaf juice just before you enjoy your meal, and that will definitely help you with your digestion problem. It does help with hair growth and clean, healthy, glowing skin. So you can use the papaya juice to wash the face. Yes, just dilute in a little water. Use it to wash your face to help to treat acne or to just promote healthy, glowing, and glossy skin. Papaya leaf juice also helps to balance your blood sugar levels. So you want to include papaya leaf juice in your diet and reap the benefits. Remember to click the subscription button below, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Alright, so stay tuned, let's go at it. So you would want to include papaya leaf juice in your diet, yes, and reap the benefits. So remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy.